Stop saying these IELTS Band 5 phrases. Use these Band 8 alternatives instead. Have you ever felt like your English is good, but your IELTS score just doesn't improve? Here's the truth. Many IELTS candidates already know enough grammar and vocabulary to get a higher score. The real problem is that they keep using the same basic words and phrases that examiners hear thousands of times every year. Today, I'm going to show you some simple Band 8 alternatives that sound more natural and academic without being difficult to pronounce. And trust me, if you start using these expressions correctly, your speaking and writing will instantly sound more advanced. Let's get started. Number one, instead of saying, in my opinion, try saying, from my perspective. For example, from my perspective, online education offers greater flexibility for students. Simple, natural, higher level vocabulary. Number two, instead of saying I think, use I would argue that. For example, I would argue that technology has improved our quality of life. That sounds more confident and academic. Number three, instead of saying because, you can say due to the fact that. For example, many people work remotely due to the fact that technology has become more accessible. Number four, instead of saying a lot of people, use a considerable number of people. For example, a considerable number of people prefer shopping online. Number five, instead of saying another reason is, try another significant factor is. For example, another significant factor is the increasing cost of living. Number six, instead of saying so, use therefore. For instance, we can say the company reduced its expenses, therefore profits increased. Number seven, instead of saying good, use beneficial. For example, regular exercise is beneficial to physical and mental health. And number eight, instead of saying bad, use the word detrimental. For example, a screen time can be detrimental to children's development. And number nine, instead of using help, use contribute to. For example, reading regularly can contribute to language development. Number 10, instead of saying cause, use lead to. For example, poor time management can lead to unnecessary stress. Now, here's something important. Many students believe that using difficult words automatically gives them a higher score. That's not true. IELTS examiners are not looking for complicated vocabulary. They are looking for accurate, natural, and appropriate vocabulary. In fact, using simple Band 8 expressions correctly is far better than using advanced words incorrectly. So don't try to memorize hundreds of difficult words. Master expressions like the ones you've learned today and use them naturally in your speaking and writing. Write one sentence in the comments using this phrase, from my perspective. I'll read your answers and give feedback on some of them. And if you are preparing for IELTS and want more Band 8 vocabulary, speaking tips, and writing strategies, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. No one can be famous, but everyone can be great. Take care.